Hello guys, this is Shiela Piet, and for today's video, I will be showing you what I prepared for my birthday. I'll show you how to cook a risotto. Making Italian style risotto demands time and attention. But don't worry, it comes with plenty of rewards. Not only will you end up with a delicious meal, but a classic Italian risotto recipe is a foundation that can be reinvented again and again with a variety of different ingredients. Add extra virgin olive oil and let's start sauteing the finely chopped onion. Fry for about 5 minutes or until translucent. Next, add the arborio rice and slightly fry before adding the unsalted butter. Arborio rice is an Italian short grain rice. It is named after the town of Arborio in the Po Valley, which is situated in the region of Piedmont in Italy. Arborio is also grown in Arkansas, California, and Missouri in the United States. Add 60 grams of unsalted butter. Stir thoroughly until it's fully coated in the butter. Fry for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Then pour a little of the stock into the saucepan and bring to a boil. Lower the heat and leave to simmer, allowing time for the liquids to be absorbed by the rice. During this time, you should be stirring frequently. By the way, I am using a prawn broth. I boil this broth before I start with the risotto. Here comes the tricky part. Continue adding a little bit of stock at a time. Each time, repeat the process of mixing, allowing the liquid to be fully absorbed and only then, adding more. If the stock is added in one go, it won't be absorbed properly. So remember, patience is the key here. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day. Add a little bit of black pepper and salt to taste. And now I'm adding freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can also use white wine. The reason why wine or lemon juice is used when making risotto is that it lends flavor and a bit of acidity to the dish, which can help balance out its inherent richness. Then add a little bit of chopped parsley. The whole process would take about 20 minutes, and this process should be complete and the rice should be creamy yet al dente. And now it's time to add the cheese. The risotto is basically almost done, so it's time to quickly pan fry the prawns, halibut fish, and some Brussels sprout. I will also be adding more cheese before serving it. Let's pan fry the halibut fish. Halibut fish is an excellent source of selenium, a trace mineral with many health benefits that your body needs in small amounts. A cooked half fillet, 160 grams of halibut, which is the recommended serving size, provides over 100% of your daily dietary needs. And now it's time to add the prawn. The prawn was marinated for about 10 minutes with salt and pepper and chili flakes and lemon juice. Just be careful not to overcook the fish and the prawn. It's time to do the plating while waiting for the Brussels sprout. Let's add a little bit of cinnamon onto the Brussels sprout to make it more delicious. Finally, our special dish is ready. Garnish it with chopped parsley and serve it with your favorite drink. Huh? My husband is opening the Moët and Chandon. Happy birthday to me.
You ready? When does it come out?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Cheers!